Hello and welcome back to Vicky's Crafts. Excuse me. I have a couple of hauls and also I want to do an update on the prize number 1. I want to add some more stuff on prize number 1. So I'm adding Chanel Never Grow Up, these stamps. There are 16 in here. That one, and then Maggie Holmes Round Trip, Good Vibes from Crepe Paper, Pebbles stamp, another Pebbles stamp. It says thanks, hello, congrats to you, and this one says hello, thanks, thinking of you. And then this Hip Stamp Hooray flower stamp set, and then this Hip Stamp Hooray flower set also. This one says bloom, grow through what you go through, and then love yourself. And they're all from American Crafts. And then from Srapdiva Designs, I have these doilies that I'm also going to put in there. And then this Tonic Studios, this dragonfly, and then this 3 dies there. So that's all gonna go in the box of prize number 1. So all of this is gonna be added in there also. So now for my haul. You saw the stamps, those were from Peachy, which I bought recently, and I also bought some for myself. The ones that I have, I'm going to put it in prize 2 or 3. So this one I'm going to keep. This one I'm going to keep if I don't have it. And this one I believe I do have, so I'm going to put it in one of the packets. These 2 I don't have, so I'm going to keep those 2. And these 2 I do have, and I'm going to put it in one of the boxes. So I'm going to see. These 2 are going to go together, and then these 2 are going to go in the other 2 boxes of my giveaway. So that was from Peachy. Now from Scrappy Boy Designs, I did pick up the dies from Off With Their Heads, and We're All Mad Here. So I did pick up the dies for that. And then I picked up one of their bundles. So this bundle comes with paper and a stencil. So this is the stencil. This is the Neverland Scene Builder. And it's 1 stencil, so that's what you get in here. The stars, the moon, and the little kids. No, that's not the little kids. The moon and this scene there. So that's what you get there. And then the Scrappy Boy stamps, double-sided 6x6. This one is also Neverland, 24 sheets. So you have Tinkerbell in there. I think it's 12 and 12, if I'm not mistaken. You get, I think, 4 each. So the first one doesn't have anything, so you get 4 of Peter Pan, and then that's the back. 4 of this polka dot, and then you get Tinkerbell in the back. 4 of this one with the pirate and Peter Pan. You get stripes in the back. This one, and then that one you could cut out in little pieces. And 4 of her, and then the last 4 with the strip of the kids. So that's the paper pad. And then I have Never Grow Up, the stamp and the dies. This time I made sure that I picked up the dies because I don't like fussy cutting. And then Neverland, and that's how that looks. Sorry for the glare. And then the dies to that. So that's from scrappyboy.com. And then I have one from Amazon. I picked up a pink 3-tier rolling cart, and it comes with the bag in the side and the wood over here. I can't show you because it's large, and it's larger than the Rascog. I mean taller than the Rascog. So this is like up to here to me, right there, like up to my waist. It will be the first little drawer. This one is a little more smaller than the other two. So, and it was easy to put together. I did it myself, and it comes with tools for you to assemble it. So that's, and it does come with wheels in the bottom, so that's how it looks. Done. So I picked it up in pink because I don't have nothing pink, so I said let me get it in pink. Everything is mint green. And I picked up one of the picnic basket. I know I picked up the one from KS Crafts, but I wanted to get the one from Pixi Designs because I think it's different size if I'm not mistaken, but I'll check it and I'll tell you later on. So this one builds that little picnic basket. So, and it is called Picnic Basket. That is from Pixi Designs. And then from KS Crafts, I picked up this one, which is the board, the clipboard. So it's a large and a small. So I think it's 2 sizes, if I'm not mistaken. So it's one large and one small. So, and it's to do a clipboard. Then it has these two. That is design. And then it has like sheets that it's broken, so you can make it shabby chic. So I picked that up, the clipboard. And then I picked up this bag. It is a little bag that has XOXO if you wanted to do it, because it's you could cut it out, and then a little tag, a little ribbon, and a little note. So it doesn't say what it is. This is KS Crafts Hugs and Kisses. But let me see if I can find it in my cell phone really quick to show you the picture, how it looks. It is hot outside today. I had to go to Manhattan and I was dying. So it's a paper treat bag. That's what they're calling it. Like that. So see. It's like a box and it's a paper treat. So it's cute with the XOXO. See, that one has it, this one doesn't. So that's that. And then something from Amazon I picked up was, was this the frayed background. So it's very small. You could put that in your embellishments, and it cuts out little tiny holes in each so that you could put it in your embellishments. So I picked that up, and I will have it linked down below, anything from Amazon. Then I picked up some stuff from Srapdiva Designs, and that is her information, and you could also scan it there and it will take you to her website. So I had to pick up a couple of things. She did give me this little heart, and it says soulmate. So it's those candies with the name. Usually comes out in Valentine's in February, those candies. So this one I picked up her purse straps bundle. So it has different kinds. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, like 4 different types of straps, purse straps. So I picked that up. Then I picked up her latest, the fringe star bundle. So pick that up. Then the balloon one that is fringed also, fringe birthday balloons. I picked that up. So it's 3 sizes. And then her star nesting set I picked up. And I also picked her 3D tiny vial gift box. Like in the little bowl. You could even put a magnet to close it, or a Velcro, a small little Velcro dots. And then I picked up her slimline honeycomb slimline card, which is cute. Picked that one up. And then I picked up her 3D gift box, and it's 2 inside here. So, and then I picked up her Conversation Hearts number 2. So that's what she gave me for free. These are the conversation hearts. And then from her older sets, I did pick up this is older. And then this one is older. This is the suitcase, 3D suitcase shadow box. And she did give me the inside for it. And this one is cute because it says travel, airmail. And then over here has the little airplane and a little flag. And then the buckles. That's the buckle. And this is the little belt that goes into the buckle to make the suitcase. And then these are also from the die. Then I picked up a really old one, and this one is called Snail Mail. Happy Mail stamp set. So it's a stamp, Happy Mail die, a little stamp there, and then the shadow of Happy Mail. So this one says, smile, you've got Happy Mail. Happy Mail, Happy Mail, Snail Mail, Snail Mail, Happy Mail, the little airplane, and then the big Happy Mail here, and that says, please deliver this Happy Mail to, and then smile, you've got Happy Mail. And then her newest collection, I did pick up the tropical leaves. These, which they're so pretty. And then I picked up her hibiscus flower plates. So this one is a small and a large, or medium and large hibiscus. I did pick up her flamingo shaker. And it's 2, one you could put them together, facing each other, or you could put them looking at 2 ways. And then her flamingo embellishment, a little cute one, and also they look at each other, or you could put them looking either way. Then I picked up the sun shaker tag. I did pick up her big hibiscus mini album. which is so cute. And then the last thing I picked up was the bikini set, which you could use this for embellishing. So that's kind of cute. So that is it from Srapdiva Designs. And then I did receive my monthly stamp kit yesterday from the PIP Stickers, Pro Sticker. So as usual you get these books for July. This one is for July. And I need a white surface. And then you get the little postage card. And this one is CULGR. I don't know what that means. A little postcard. LAR. I don't know what that means. Yes, I don't do the terminologies of like that. So let's do the first one. The first one is called Epic Expressions. So take a chill pill, the bomb, as if, whatever, not, don't go there, and so forth. So that's that one. The next one is little vending machines. So pull, peel, and reveal. So this one is stickers. This one is like more stickers. And all of them are stickers. The little vending machines. I used to go crazy when I used to see one. I used to always ask my mother for water. This one is called Window Shoppers. I do that a lot at window shop because I like the walking exercise, not really the shopping. So this one says sale. They're going up an escalator. This is a window of a display of a window, and then some people sitting, strolling with a stroller. This one is called Pizza Pizzazz. That is so me. And then it has the garbage can. The next one is called Lo Mein Attraction. That one is my husband. He loves Chinese food. This one is called Chinfully Delicious. So I love the chocolate chip cookies. And that's it. I just eat chocolate chip cookies. I don't eat cakes or anything like that. And then this one is called Classic Clicks and Circuits. So we have the old phone, the old flip phone, the old IBM floppy disk, the old iPods with music, CD player. Remember this dog, the robotic dog? That was so funny. The CD player there, the Nintendo cartridge there and there. That's so cute. I don't know if this is an old TV. Yeah, it's an old TV. So that's cute. That resonates with me. So that is it for all of my hauls. As always, please give it a thumbs up if you like this video. Sorry, I can't speak today. And remember, I have a giveaway. Look for that video and see what you have to do. And that is it. So take care. Have a good day. Bye-bye.